Because I know my girl Vivian here, she also has a typewriter.
Okay, I have a 45. I'm pointing it at his chest.
And this right now is a power move because if I'm laying mine down and taking my hand away from it, that shows Sal here, I am confident enough to know that I don't even have to touch mine before his trigger is even squeezed.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We also have a Patreon. You can listen to the full podcast in most podcast places, or head on over to tabletopofdoom.com.